Right, we're going to do a unboxing of a Ryobi strimmer. We've just been and got this, so we're going to open it up and unbox it with you. You turn it round to the back, so this is the pictures on the back. It comes with the battery and charger. That's what the packaging looks like, and that's information on the box. We've managed to put this together, so what you have to do is line up these two grooves and you push it in, but then you get some resistance and it stops about this much away, so then you have to push quite hard until this pops into place. Now we're going to put the battery in. We need to take this little tab off here and then fit this. So do that and show you how we get on. So got the handle on, so on the side here you've got a little button on the side and you press that to extend your little wire, your cutting wire, and then this needs to be placed on now, and it goes on the back and it just slots in. I think that's on, it looks stable enough. We're going to go take it out and test it. Right, so underneath this plate you've got two little screw holes, and the screws are hidden. They're actually sellotaped onto this cover. Right, we're just going to give it a test, see how we get on, because our mower broke.